Hello grade 6 artists, it's me again, your tutor Mitch. Together, let us explore the world of arts. Are you ready? I know you are, so let's begin. For the lesson objectives, after the lesson, you are expected to identify different materials and process in silkscreen printing and create simple printmaking designs on t-shirts. Before we proceed, let us have first a review. Okay, get your pen and paper and answer the following questions. Question number 1. It is used to imply a sense of motion or a feeling of action to guide the viewer's eye throughout the work of art. A. Balance. B. Contrast. C. Pattern. D. Movement. 5 seconds for you to answer. If your answer is movement, you are correct. Let us proceed to number 2. The principle of creating a centered interest in an artwork often achieved by contrasting it with other areas. A. Balance. B. Contrast. C. Emphasis. D. Pattern. If your answer is emphasis, you are correct. Let us proceed to number 3. The recurrence of a particular line, pattern, shapes, or other visual elements throughout the design. A. Emphasis. B. Repetition. C. Harmony. D. Proportion. If your answer is repetition, great! Let us proceed to number 4. It involves the use of similar and compatible elements to achieve a feeling of coherence and the sense of cohesiveness between the elements in a composition. A. Emphasis. B. Repetition. C. Harmony. D. Proportion. If your answer is harmony, very good. Number 5. It is a way of combining elements to add a feeling of equilibrium or stability to a work of art. A. Balance. B. Emphasis. C. Harmony. D. Proportion. The correct answer is balance. Did you get the correct answers? I know you are. Very good. What can you say about these pictures? Can you spot the difference? Great! The first picture is a plain t-shirt, while the other one has a design or a print on it. A design made of screen print or silkscreen printing. So what is silkscreen printing? Silkscreen printing is also known as serigraphy, Latin for silk, graphos for ancient Greek for writing. It is the process of transferring a stencil design onto a flat surface using a mesh screen, ink, and a squeegee. These are the materials needed for silkscreen printing: black and white printed design, silkscreen frame, photo emulsion, plain t-shirt, a squeegee, and fabric paints. And now let us create how to screen print your own t-shirt. First step, create and print your design. Second, prepare the mesh screen. For step number 3, using the squeegee, coat the screen with photo emulsion. Number 4, let it dry thoroughly in a dark room. Number 5, apply the mineral oil on the paper and spread it evenly. You can use cooking oil or baby oil as alternative. Step 6. Expose the screen in a UV light. Make sure that you choose a sunny day to expose your screens. For step number 7, wash out the unhardened emulsion carefully and leave it dry. For step 8, tape off the sides. Step 9, prepare the t-shirt for printing. Paalala, lagyan ng karton ang in-between ng damit upang hindi tumagas ang fabric paint. Step 10, put the mesh screen on top of the t-shirt. For step number 11, load the top end of the screen with the ink and run the squeegee across the design. Now that the printing is complete, let it dry and don't forget to share your output. Thank you for watching. Until next time.